Ready? Exercise number 20, Series B, Legal Matter. Start. The present petition under Section 482 of the Code of Criminal Procedure under bracket CRPC bracket out has been filed for quashing FIR number 526/2020 dated 15/7/2020, registered at Police Station Bikaspuri, Delhi for offences under sections 354 and 506 IPC on the ground that the complainant and the petitioner/accused have amicably settled the matter and no useful purpose would be served in continuing the proceedings. Sworn of details, the facts leading to the petition are as follows. Quote next para. The prosecutrix registered a complaint on 15/7/2020 in Police Station Bikaspuri stating that on 15/7/2020 at about 4:30 p.m. after finishing work at her office, she was sitting at PVR complex on the backside of PVR slums beside an open gym with her 3 colleagues. Stop next para. B. It is stated that the petitioner herein came towards them and started talking to the prosecutrix and said that he is a millionaire. When he was rebuked and asked to go away, he left, but after 10 minutes he once again came there and tried to speak with the prosecutrix. It is stated that the prosecutrix wanted to go away, but the petitioner held her hand and twisted it behind her back. It is stated that he hit the prosecutrix on her face and her spectacles fell down. It is further stated that the petitioner hit the prosecutrix with his bag. Stop next para. It is stated that when the prosecutrix started making noise, people started gathering there and the petitioner ran away. On the basis of the complaint, FIR number 526/2020 dated 15/7/2020 was registered at Police Station Bikaspuri, Delhi for offences under sections 506 and 354 IPC. The petitioner was arrested on 21/7/2020 and later on released on bail. Stop next para. In the present case, it is the victim who is the ultimate sufferer. She has been harassed by the petitioner and she is being further harassed in the proceedings initiated against the petitioner. It is well settled that the High Court has the power to quash FIR complaint on the basis of a compromise arrived at between the parties while exercising its jurisdiction under Section 482 CRPC. However, before exercise of such power, the High Court must have due regard to the nature and gravity of the crime. Heinous and serious offences of mental depravity or offences like murder, rape, dacoity, etc. cannot be fittingly quashed even though the victim or victim's family and the offender have settled the dispute. But the criminal cases having overwhelmingly and predominantly civil flavor stand on a different footing for the purposes of quashing, particularly the offences arising from commercial, financial, mercantile, civil partnership or such like transactions, or the offences arising out of matrimony relating to dowry, etc., or the family disputes where the wrong is basically private or personal in nature and the parties have resolved their entire dispute. Stop next para. A perusal of the complaint shows that the petitioner has acted in a very high-handed manner. Since the complainant does not want to pursue the complaint, it would be futile to continue with the prosecution. Looking at the facts and the conduct of the petitioner, this court is inclined to direct the petitioner to do some social service to atone for his sins. He is also warned not to repeat such actions in the future. Stop. Thank you very much.